Unresolved reference issue in PyCharm. I have a directory structure. And I can access the network module with sys.path.insert. However, PyCharm complains that it cannot access the module. How can I teach PyCharm to resolve the reference?
Normally, $Python path is used to teach Python interpreter to find necessary modules. PyCharm needs to add the path in preference.
Manually adding it as you have done is indeed one way of doing this, but there is a simpler method, and that is by simply telling PyCharm that you want to add the src folder as a source root, and then adding the source's root to your Python path. This way, you don't have to hard code things into your interpreter settings. Add src as a source content root. Then make sure to add sources to your Python path under. Now imports will be resolved. This way, you can add whatever you want as a source root, and things will simply work. If you unmarked it as a source root, however, you will get an error. After all this, don't forget to restart. In PyCharm menu, select File - Invalidate Caches / Restart.
After testing all workarounds, I suggest you to take a look at settings, project dependencies, and rearrange them.
Check for __init__.py file in src folder. Add the src folder as a source root. Then make sure to add sources to your Python path, see above. In PyCharm menu, select File, Invalidate Caches, Restart.